Also in the special edition category, we have a OnePlus 8T Cyberpunk 2077 version coming out. A collaboration, if you will. You know, in the past, OnePlus, they've done these collabs with various companies. I mean, they did Marvel. They had a McLaren partnership for a while as well. So with all the emphasis on gaming recently, this is kind of an interesting one. Cyberpunk 2077 getting a lot of attention.
Highly anticipated.
And they got all the yellow stuff going on.
Yes. The yellow stuff.
I mean, let's be honest here. It's a bright yellow they're working with.
Yeah.
On the branding. And so that is your glimpse. Look at that. All you have is the yellow edge around the outside. It's a lot of speculation and curiosity still. However, they did release a little teaser video about the collab with a ringing phone. And of course, it's cryptic. It's Cyberpunk 2077. It's gaming in 2020. If it ain't cryptic, no one's playing it. Mm-hmm. So this is how you do these. It's like the security camera. It points at the desk. There's a phone ringing. That's your OnePlus device. OnePlus loves it. Anyways, this is going on sale soon. Apparently, the Cyberpunk 2077 version of the OnePlus 8T will go up on pre-sale starting November 4th, which is actually just a few weeks ahead of the November 19th launch of the actual game, which I know you're very excited for. Mm-hmm. So this could be interesting for super fans of the game. It could be interesting just from a styling standpoint, or the smartphone collector types that like the special editions, which tend to be limited. Mm-hmm. Probably will have a cool unboxing experience.
Yeah.
OnePlus, where you at?
Yeah, I remember the Star Wars one was really cool. They had the hologram and everything.
Very cool. So I hope they knock it out of the park on the unboxing experience, and I hope I get it soon so I can show that off to you. They have teamed up. What do they say here? During the phone's announcement, OnePlus CEO Pete Lau said that its design took a high level of coordination with the CD Projekt Red team. And he'll be revealing more details in 2 weeks. So apparently they involved the actual team behind the game. Mm-hmm. So they're going to have some input over what the phone looks like. So that's all very exciting.
Cool.
Combination of two worlds. Oh, also, you know what they're probably going to do is some sort of gaming features on the phone.
Yeah.
I would assume some of the game mode, the UI it's a software development company.
Yeah.
I'm just curious. Maybe they can do things in the UI. I know in the past they kind of skinned it a little bit. Mm-hmm. Maybe on the software side, there's some cool stuff they can do as well. We'll have to wait and see.